Hey, what's up? Once again, it's your man Big John Restoration in Virginia Beach. Got a Lincoln Towncar that was made into a lowrider for a lowrider car club. It came in the same color, but it had a lot of imperfections in it. Another shop had previously did the vehicle, but it wasn't done to the customer's satisfaction, so he brought it here to John's Restoration for us to redo it. He picked out this blue, but it's got a lot of blue flake in the paint. You can't really see it now because the sun is not out. I'm going to put my flashlight on it so you can see how I'm talking about as far as the flakes. The light from my phone, maybe it'll show the flakes. But like I said, it came from another shop in Virginia. We had to redo it, as far as redo the color. Clean up a lot of the imperfections on the vehicle and add more blue flake, a heavy clear coat to the vehicle. That's why it's got the wet look on it. And we're using the size flake that we put, and as many as we put in this vehicle, it takes a lot of wet sanding as far as to buff it out to make it slick. But as y'all see, it's slick. John's Restoration, we paint any make and model of a vehicle, whether it's a car, truck, or motorcycle. Just give us a call at 757-713-2277 if you want your vehicle painted or the interior done. Give us a call and we can take care of it for you. Say, you want to say what your participation was on this vehicle? You gotta come in front of the camera, son. That's my son, 11-year-old Saeed.
What's up, y'all? It's your boy Young Cotton. I wet sanded half of that side over there. It's kind of hard though. I think I did pretty good. I think that I should start being that word.
What word? What word you looking for?
I can't get that.
Well, what does it mean?
Like do more stuff at the shop.
Oh, as far as participating, the more that goes on?
Yeah.
Well, you're 11 years old. It takes time, son. It takes time. But that's my son Saeed, also known as Young Carter. He already priming vehicles at 11. Now he's starting to wet sand them after they paint it to get them prepared for buffing. So y'all know, if I got him wet sanding the vehicle after it's been painted, he must know what he's doing, because I ain't trying to repaint them. But like I said, it's your man Big John Restoration in Virginia Beach. Give us a call, 757-713-2277.